Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows Update Download Error 0x80070057 on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Windows Update Download Error 0x80070057 on your Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method to fix these issues. First option is you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings, click on Windows Update. Here you will find one option which is get the latest update as soon as they are available. If this option is enabled, you just need to disable this option. After disabling, try to download and install your Windows Update. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. If your issue didn't resolve, then try the second method. Just download the Windows 11 installation assistant from your browser. Just open your Chrome browser, then go to your Microsoft official website. In this you will find Windows 11 installation assistant. Just you have to download this. After completion of this download, just click on this Windows installation assistant, click on yes. This will automatically check any kind of update is available and will update automatically. Just click on refresh. After completion of this, just close this window. After doing this, if you are facing the issue again, then try the third method. Go to the Microsoft Update catalog, then type the error of Windows Update error what you are facing. For example, if you are facing the error KB5034123, then click on search. Here you will find I have some mistaken. I have typed double B. Just delete on B, then click on search. Here you will find the community update for your Windows. You have to download as per your operating system version. You can see this is a 22H2 version of 64-bit and this is 23H2 version of 64-bit. You can download as per your operating system. If you don't know your operating system, you just need to click on your file explorer or just press Windows plus R key, then type here WinWord, WINVER, then hit enter. Here you will find your operating system. You can see mine version is 21H2. It is bit older version. The latest version is 23H2. According to this, you can download your community update version. Then try to install and run the download and install file. After completion of this download, that now you can install this downloaded file from here. After completion of this, once you have to restart your PC. After installation of this, hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Update Download Error 0x80070057. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.